Okay, so this is Lucy Hutchison with my week 4 of AOC1. I'm gonna talk about what I did for the project, a few things that I could use more clarification, and what do I think I could have done better. Let's just go over the project first. So the first half was the login screen, and so we have my labels, then the text field. Next was the button, complete with a target to the on-click function that was created. Here's the label that says please enter your username, the date with the button, and the tag. So you can see the show date button has a tag. Same thing with the login one. There's a button login tag right here, and then the target is on click. The information section with the button, and this is button info, which all of these are declared up here at the top. And so we have the label, and so now this is the on click function. With if the button tag is button login, then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the text field and check the length. If the length is 0, then the text for that username to label will say username cannot be empty. I set a background color just to show the change, because that does help when it's more visual, that you can see that it changed. But if the field text length isn't 0, then it will say user, and then it'll pull that value from the field text has been logged in. And that also has a different color. For the date, if that date button is clicked, then it will trigger the date format or the NSDate object, and then run it through the date formatter as well and pop that up. And then if it's the button info that was clicked, then it will show this application was created by me down at the bottom, as well as change the background color just to kind of help you see that that has changed. So we can run this and you can see how it's working. And so here's the username section, the date section, and the info section. So if I clicked on show date, it shows today's date in the correct format as shown in the videos. If I was to click on the info, says this application was created by me. Now back up here to the username, if I click on login without entering anything here, it will say username cannot be empty, and it's a bright color, so you know you can't do that. But if we typed in our name and hit login, then it's kind of a happier color. It says, hey, you've been logged in, congratulations. So that's pretty much it as far as the project goes. A few things that I could have used for more clarification. I would say pretty much with any of the videos, I always go back and try to read up, with the book or through lynda.com, and just get more information. I understand that trying to cram all that into a video would make it really long, and so like I mentioned earlier, it's like, why do we do the things we do? Being able to get that information so we can make an informed decision later when we don't have videos would help. So other than that, was pretty good. And what do I think I could have done better? I'm not sure. I tried to add the extra things like the color, and so I think I did a pretty good job as far as this project goes. I was gonna go ahead and change the color of all this, but the button type had to be UI button type rounded rectangle, not a custom one where I can change this color. So other than that, I would have liked to have changed the color of this and stylize it a little bit more, but for the minimum requirements of this project, I think it was pretty good. Well, that's all I have for this project, and I'm looking forward to, I guess, another class. Thanks.